Hello. Hi, everybody. My name is Miss G. Today is a different class that seems very simple, but I want to go through it because I noticed that with some of my students or people that come from another country struggle with numbers. I know everybody knows their numbers, but I wanted to go through it with you and just practice, and you might feel silly, but I want you to repeat after me because if you could say it right and then you pronounce it right, you're going to feel more confident. And so if somebody doesn't understand, that's on them, not on you, because I helped you say it correctly. So let's just start with regular, the 1 through 10. And I really want you to focus on the last sound. Okay, so here we go. One. I want to hear the one. I hear a lot of people when they're talking English and English is their second language, they go wha. And we don't know wha. We know one, one. And then, of course, two. That's easy, but I want you to go down. Two, three. Stick your tongue out. Don't say tree, because in Spanish, a tree is el árbol. I don't want árbol, I want tres. So I want the English R, not the Spanish R, because the Spanish R goes up, and I want down, okay? So I want you to say three, three. And I know that's going to be a hard one for you. Sorry. It's early this morning and I'm starting this video early. You guys are loving my videos. Thank you so much for your comments. It's, really encouraging me to see that you guys enjoy these videos. So here we go. Three, three. And I want the E, like a big smile. Three. And in English, we do move our mouths a lot. Like we're going to be doing that all day. Okay. So now we're going to go and say the number four, four. And I want that R. I don't want four, no four, not in Spanish. I want four. And you could, close your mouth a little. Four, five. Many of my students does not sound out the letter V. So it's Five. I need the V sound, like in, Veronica, vampire, not ba, because a lot of my students like to sound the B as a V. Totally different. I want to see your teeth. V. And then I hope I don't have any lipstick on my teeth now after that one. So we're going to say five. Five. You heard the last sound at the end? I don't want five. Five. No. I want five. Five. Six. X at the end. Six. Seven. See how I'm doing the last sound? Seven. Seven. Eight. At the end, I want that T. Eight. Not A. Oh, how much is it? A $99. No. I want eight. Eight. So if something costs $8.99, I want that little sound at the end, okay? And then we have nine. Nine. Again, the N at the end of the word, I want nine. Nine. And then, of course, 10. 10. And now the teens. This is where a lot of my students struggle. Like, when was it? Last night, I had a student try to say 19 and she kept saying 90. So I don't want 90. I want 19. 19, which in Spanish would be 19. So if you're going to say 19, I need you to say 19, because if you say 90, estás diciendo 90. I don't want 90. I want 19, okay? So we have the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And are you understanding? I'm sounding out that end at the end of every sentence. 17, 18, 19, 20. Boy, do I wish I was 20. That was a long time ago. Okay, so here we go. So now we have 30, 30, 30 and 13 are two different words. 30, I want you to say 30, 30, and 13 is 13. So hopefully that'll help you. Then we have 40, 40. 40 is 40, 14 is 14. Then you have 50. 50 is 50, 15 is 15. That's a good year. 15. Man, if we could all be 15 again with the knowledge that we have today. Then we have 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. Okay, so if you need to pause the video, pause it because I really, really feel you can do it. And then, of course, you have your 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70. And that one gets everybody too with the 70 and a 17. 80, 90, and then you got 100. And there you did it, 100. And oh, let me get you this real quick. I got to get you to say it. So a lot of times my student they don't know the proper way of saying our year. So today we're in 2022, 2022, or 2022, 2022. So I really hope, I really hope that you practice and that you get confident in your numbers, and give me a like, give me a follow, and let me know if I'm doing a good job, and tell me your story. Are you using these, classes to better your speech? Do you need help with pronunciation? I can help you. I can help you. So have a good day. Give me a like, give me a message, and thank you. Thank you for those who definitely support me. Have a great day. Bye.